The UK is not immune to problems caused by the current heat. Health alerts have come into force today with top temperatures set to reach 34 degrees Celsius. The UK Health Security Agency is warning the high temperatures could impact the NHS and social care and could lead to a rise in deaths, especially for those over 65 or with health conditions. Every part of England is covered by warnings today. The Midlands, the South, South East and London are all under the higher amber alert level. The rest of the country is on a lower yellow level. Our reporter Ellie Pitt joins us now from Cambridge. Ellie, a beautiful day there it looks like, but what should we be making of these warnings once again?
So Nina, these health heat alerts are put out by the UK Health Security Agency as a warning to the NHS and for the NHS, and whether that's GP practices or A&Es or care homes, that their patients are likely to be feeling the impact of these higher temperatures, whether that's through illness or in some cases even death. Now, some sections of the population will be likely to experience that more than others, those who are elderly and those with long-term health conditions. Now, not everywhere in the country will be experiencing temperatures like 33, 34 degrees today, but this is the fourth heat wave we've had this summer where there are higher than average temperatures for several consecutive days. And one doctor has told us that the NHS will be tracking data and gathering intelligence to help them prepare, much like they do in winter for the winter pressures. Here's his advice.
Look after yourself and especially look after each other, because we need to look after our vulnerable elderly people, our relatives, our neighbors. So and just make sure, be safe. Don't go out in hot weather if it is not needed. If going out, wearing light colored clothes, these are the things that are needed, and especially keep yourself hydrated.
So for some people, these are perfect temperatures for a day out, but for others who prefer it cooler, the Met Office has said that this week this is likely to be the highest temperature we see.
Ellie, thank you. Our science correspondent Martin Stew joins me now. Not for the first time this summer, we're talking about really high temperatures, but also a severe lack of water.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, as Ellie was alluding to, we're in the midst of what's going to become the fourth heat wave of the year. And according to the Met Office, this is the new normal. Their State of the Climate report, which came out last month, said as a result of climate change, we're seeing more extreme temperatures like this and more extreme amounts of lack of rainfall as well. We've had six consecutive months, if I can get the words out, where we've had below average rainfall. That 6 months has been the driest up to July since 1976. As a result, this morning the National Drought Group met. They said we have got a nationally significant shortage of water at the moment. 5 areas are in drought, 6 other areas have had prolonged dry weather. And we're also still seeing levels in reservoirs receding even with recent rainfall. Now, this is a problem for lots of people, the environment, also farmers. We're starting to see significantly lower yields from some crops and a lack of grass for livestock. So what can be done? Well, one thing is for water companies to fix those leaks so less water is disappearing, more storage, but also we as individuals can do more. We've got areas where they've had hosepipe bans. In Yorkshire, that's seen a 10% reduction in the amount of water, 80 million litres a day being saved. So between us, if we're all a bit more frugal, we can make a big difference.